Mm. Y'all look at this. Look at how I'm rocking it. Look at how I'm rocking it early Saturday. It's going down. It's going down. Look at that. That's beautiful. This is oven fried. Look at that meat. Look at that. Delicious. Look at that heat coming off of that. Yeah, buddy, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Looks so good. And it's so juicy. Don't it look juicy? Don't it look good? Look at that. All the way live. And so much healthier than deep fried. It's not even fried, but you call it oven fried. Why do they call it oven fried? Oh, because it mimics frying? Oh, okay. Okay. Delicious. It's a chicken breast with my sauce on it. Look at it. It's a good camera, ain't it? It's a good camera. Ooh, it's so good. I'm gonna get close and see how the camera adjusts. I like this camera. It's real good. I think you can do slow-mo. Oh, look at that, zooming in. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That's on the money, y'all. That's on the money. All right, let me see what else I can do with this camera. Yeah, that was the pause button. Let's see. Oh, I can't adjust anything while I'm on it. But I can take pictures right while filming. So let me get my pictures in. Juicy. This chicken needs some music, don't it, y'all? You hungry? I know. Listen, if y'all ain't got you an oven fryer yet, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? And it takes no time. And it's a lot less mess, a lot less cleanup. And oh, it's so good. All right, time for me to dig in. Peace out, y'all.